In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite users in Confluence. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to bring new people into your Confluence site. This assumes you already have admin or site admin access, because only admins can invite new users. Let's start from your Confluence homepage. Look toward the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon, which represents the settings menu. It's usually near your profile avatar. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This opens the main administration area where you can manage different parts of your site. From the options that appear, look for something labeled User Management. This is where all of your user-related settings live, including invitations, access, and permissions. Click on User Management to open the Admin Center for your Atlassian organization. Once you're in the Admin Center, you'll see a menu or a tab for users. This section lists everyone who currently has access to your Atlassian products, including Confluence. Click on Users to open that list. Here, you can see existing users, their status, and which products they have access to. But for now, we're focused on adding someone new. Inside the Users section, find the button or link that says Invite Users or Invite User. This is usually positioned near the top of the page, often on the right-hand side. Click that Invite option to start the process. After you click it, you'll be guided by on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll be asked to enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. You can usually add one person or several at once by separating their email addresses with commas or spaces. Take a moment to double-check for typos, because the invitation links will be sent to these addresses. Next, you may be asked to choose which products they should have access to, such as Confluence or other Atlassian tools in your organization. Make sure Confluence is selected so they can actually use your spaces and pages. Depending on your setup, you might also assign groups, which can control default permissions, like who can view or edit content. When you're happy with your choices, confirm or send the invitations. Atlassian will email